What's going on, YouTube? This is Mr. Bennett back at you with another video. This one is how to pass Network Plus. I'm going into this video with the assumption that most of the people watching this video already know what Network Plus is. That way I don't make the video like way too long trying to explain what Network Plus is. So how to pass Network Plus. Pretty simple for me. I took this exam because um, and I've said this before, I don't have a traditional IT background. I actually went to school for economics and decided to go into IT a little later on in my career. So it was important for me to understand networking going into IT, right? Just because it's just such a big part of a lot of positions, right? You need to understand networking, right? and how to troubleshoot things and services when they stop working. Even some of the hardware, some of the cables, things of that nature. It's important to understand that, right? Because even when you're configuring a router or something like that, and you need to know what ports inbound and outbound, and things of that nature, right? So it was important for me to understand that. My supervisor asked me specifically to go ahead and get an understanding of Network Plus. Now you can have an understanding of Network Plus without taking the exam, right? You can just read the book, but it was important to have on my resume because, like I said, I was transitioning from a business background, so it shows proof of knowledge, right? Of networking. This exam is 90 minutes with a maximum of 90 questions. You need a passing score of 720 in order to pass this exam. I ended up knocking this out on the first try, and I didn't get Cert Master for this. I just read a book, and the book that I read is Mike Myers' Passport, Network Plus. So this is for the N10-007 exam. I read this book. It comes with 200 practice questions, which is always good. So I read this book front to back. There were some concepts that obviously were challenging, subnetting and all that good stuff. But this exam was moderately challenging, I would say. I read the book front to back. I made sure that I understood mostly everything in the in the book, and just went ahead and took the exam. So I think this is enough for sure. I think this is enough for sure to pass. Go get the book. I'll leave the link in the description below for you guys to go on Amazon and grab the book. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. But yeah, that's Network Plus. Appreciate you watching this video. Peace.